this, but intuitively you know. Does that make sense, guys? It's like your second, third gut is already like giving you signals that this person may try to come in and communicate and talk to you. But you know, a lot of you, I feel like you're kind of blocking this energy out, or you're staying silent toward this person. When I see this Fool card too, I know you can't really see it too well, but she's got like her music player or some kind of iPad or iPod plugged into her ears. So you guys are totally blocking out the white noise, and you're kind of just doing whatever it is your spirit tells you to do when it comes to this job or this person.